So today I'm going to be making 7 gooseberry pies. It's going to be a really big job, but I'm very excited about it because I really like gooseberry pies and I like making them. So I'm going to make one for the 7 dwarfs, and I'll just have a little bit of their leftovers just because I can't handle a whole pie by myself. But that's what we're going to do today. The priest is going to come over and we're just going to have so much fun, and we'll probably clean a little bit because that's my favorite thing to do. So just a lot of gooseberry pie today.
Alright, so you wanted to know my last great adventure. It would probably be Paris's Fashion Week. I was so very busy, but absolutely everything running the runway, especially the puppies running the runway. Well, I mean, didn't capture those, but absolute best adventure getting to see all of them.
Alright, so a fun adventure that happened the other day with Chip and I is that him and I love to play hide and seek around the castle. It's one of our favorite games to play. But him and Lumiere came to Disneyland the other day, and his idea was that he wanted to play a giant game of hide and seek around Disneyland. So we started off throughout the entire day, and I swear it must have been about 6 hours. I could not find him, and then Lumiere had to tell me his hiding spot. So I finally could find him, and I went to go and hide. And in about 2 minutes, Chip found me. So I'm convinced I'm never gonna win a game of hide and seek with him. I should probably change my dress so it always gives away my hiding spot.
We were with Kristoff, and then we noticed that Sven had wandered off and we couldn't find him anywhere. So the problem is Disneyland's really busy and there's a lot of people around, but we eventually wound up at the carousel because there was some commotion going on, and that's where we found Sven. And Kristoff asked him what he was doing, and he said he was trying to find other reindeer, but there's only horses and they don't talk very much. So that's what happened. That happened earlier this week.
It was quite the adventure.
They're so funny.
I think he stood on there for a little bit, and people got on top of him and rode him like he was a carousel rat. Was not. He was a little bit fluffier.
A little more warm, less plastic.
Yeah.